Today start a new part, methods of preparation of alkyl halide. Methods of preparation of alkyl halide. First preparation method. First preparation method from alcohol. First preparation method from alcohol. From alcohol. Correct? Okay, yes. Look here, from alcohol, there are different methods. First is by using halo acids. By using halo acids. Second, by using the phosphorus halide. And third, by using thionyl chloride. By using thionyl chloride. Everybody first. Look here first. By using hydrogen halide. Hydrogen halide in bracket halo acids. Halo acids. Look here, all of you. Halo acid, halo chloro, halo bromo, halo iodo. Look here, halo acid HCl, halo acid HBr, halo acid HI, halo acid HI. By using the hydrogen halide, by using hydrogen halide or halo acids. Correct? Yes. Look here, next point. Next is the formation of. First formation of alkyl chloride. Formation of alkyl chloride. Alkyl chloride. What is this? By using a Lucas reagent. By using Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. Look here, from first preparation method from alcohol. Okay, by using hydrogen halide means halo acids. Okay, first the formation of alkyl chloride. Okay, what is this? By using the Lucas reagent. Look here, simple. Phenalcohol, name of the compound alcohol, is heated with, what is this? Concentrated HCl. Concentrated HCl in presence of Lucas, in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. Heating, it gives corresponding RCl, name of the compound alkyl chloride. Okay, plus H and OH, H2O. Look at this reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why this called as a nucleophilic substitution reaction? Look here, OH minus ions is replaced by the Cl minus ions. OH minus ions replaced by the Cl minus ions. Look here, next point. Look here, the mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride is called as a Lucas reagent. It's called as a Lucas reagent. A solution of a concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 with zinc chloride is called as a Lucas reagent. What is my Lucas reagent? A solution of a concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 and anhydrous ZnCl2. Repeat everybody. What is my Lucas reagent? A solution of a concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 is called as a Lucas reagent. Okay? Yes. Look here, general reaction. Phenalcohol is heated with concentrated HCl. Phenalcohol is heated with concentrated HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. It gives corresponding alkyl chloride. It gives corresponding alkyl chloride. Okay, yes, reaction type is nucleophilic substitution reaction here. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, yes. Look here, a first example, everybody, first example. You know, first example. What is the action of Lucas reagent? You know, what is the action of a Lucas reagent? You know, a Lucas reagent on. What is the action of a Lucas reagent? You know, a Lucas reagent on ethyl alcohol. You know, ethyl alcohol, CH3, CH2, OH. What is the name of this compound? Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. You know, basic concept in this reaction, everybody, a basic concept, you know, a basic concept here. Okay, OH minus ions replaced by the Cl minus ions. You know, product here, like this, CH3, you know, CH2, next Cl, name of the compound ethyl chloride. Name of the compound ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride, correct? Yes. Look here, repeat. Look here, when ethyl alcohol is heated with the concentrated HCl. Concentrated HCl in presence of, bola, in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, it gives ethyl chloride. It gives ethyl chloride. Look here, what is the action of a Lucas reagent on ethyl alcohol? Answer, when ethyl alcohol is heated with, okay, when ethyl alcohol is heated with concentrated HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, it gives ethyl chloride. It gives ethyl chloride. Okay, yes. Look here, ethyl alcohol is a primary alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is a primary alcohol. You know? Yes. Look here, second example. Look here, second example, what is the action of? You know, next is what is the action of Lucas reagent on N-propyl alcohol? You know N-propyl alcohol? CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Name of the compound N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol. Look here, when N-propyl alcohol heated with concentrated HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. Anhydrous ZnCl2. You know, look here, concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2, this called as a Lucas reagent. This reaction type is nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, OH minus ions replaced by the Cl minus ions. Look here, product here, like this CH3, CH2, next CH2, next Cl. Name of the compound N-propyl chloride. N-propyl chloride. N-propyl chloride, correct? Bola, N-propyl chloride. Look here, everybody. Here, when N-propyl alcohol is heated with concentrated HCl, is heated with a concentrated HCl in presence of a anhydrous ZnCl2, it gives N-propyl chloride. It gives N-propyl chloride, correct? Yes. Look here, everybody. Next example. Next. Okay, ethyl alcohol and N-propyl alcohol, both the example are primary alcohol. Both the example are primary alcohol. Yes. Look here. Next. You know, next example. Most important example. You know, isopropyl alcohol. Look here, CH3, next CH, next OH, CH3, name of the compound. Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. When isopropyl alcohol is heated with concentrated HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. Everybody, isopropyl alcohol is a secondary alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is a secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Okay? Yes. Reaction same. Reaction same. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why this called is a nucleophilic substitution reaction? Look here. A OH minus ions replaced by the Cl minus ions. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. You know, look here. Answer. OH replaced by Cl means CH3, CH, Cl, CH3. Name of the compound. Isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. Repeat all of you. When isopropyl alcohol is heated with concentrated HCl, concentrated, okay, concentrated HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, it gives isopropyl chloride. It gives isopropyl chloride, secondary alcohol. Look here, everybody. Look here, the primary alcohol and secondary alcohol reaction with Lucas reagent. This reaction is called as, okay, this reaction is called as Gru's reaction. Okay, Gru's reaction. This reaction is called as Gru's reaction. Okay, yes. Repeat, everybody. A primary alcohol and secondary alcohol reaction with primary alcohol or a secondary alcohol reaction with Lucas reagent. This reaction is called as Gru's reaction. This reaction is called as Gru's reaction. Okay, yes. Look here, order of reactivity of alcohol in case of Lucas reagent. In primary, secondary greater than primary. But in case of primary, secondary, tertiary, 3 degree, everybody. Here, a 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. Means a tertiary alcohol greater than secondary alcohol greater than primary alcohol. Repeat, a tertiary alcohol greater than secondary alcohol greater than primary alcohol. Which is reaction faster, okay, with the Lucas reagent, everybody. You know, in case of tertiary alcohol, in case of a tertiary alcohol, correct? Yes. Simple questions. What is the action of Lucas reagent on isopropyl alcohol? What is the action of Lucas reagent on isopropyl alcohol? Answer: when isopropyl alcohol is heated with concentrated HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, it gives isopropyl chloride. Correct? Yes. Reaction type is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay? Yes. Look here, next point. You know, reaction, last reaction, tertiary alcohol. Last reaction is tertiary alcohol. You know, next reaction, everybody, here tertiary alcohol. Simple question. Hey, how will you convert a tertiary butyl alcohol converted to tertiary butyl chloride? How will you convert a tertiary butyl alcohol into a tertiary butyl chloride? You know, simple tertiary butyl alcohol like this CS3, CS3. CS3, what is this? OH, tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Look at when tertiary butyl alcohol is reacted with, okay, is reacted with, no heated with, reacted with concentrated HCl at room temperature. At room temperature, it gives CS3, CS3, next everybody Cl plus H2O, name of the compound, tertiary, okay, butyl chloride, correct? Yes, tertiary butyl chloride. What is this? Tertiary butyl chloride. Look here, tertiary alcohol react with Lucas reagent or immediately direct only concentrated HCl. No Lucas reagent, this reaction fast, okay, convert into tertiary butyl alcohol. Immediately PPT, immediately turbidity of the tertiary alcohol. But time is required for the completion of reaction, primary alcohol. In between primary alcohol and tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol. Okay? Yes. You know, order of the reactivity of alcohol here, a tertiary alcohol greater than secondary alcohol greater than primary alcohol. What type of reaction here? A nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic is substitution reaction. Point complete here, a formation of alkyl chloride. Formation of alkyl chloride. By using reagent here, Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. Complete the formation of alkyl chloride. Okay, by using Lucas reagent. Everybody, you know Lucas reagent is solution of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 is called as Lucas reagent. Okay, complete the formation of alkyl chloride. Okay, thank you.